Okay, so we're finally gonna set up the plane. So we have the 04 unit. I'm just gonna slide it into the new cockpit. So because of the wind, we're not gonna fly an FPV today, but we'll have it running and we'll get like a good idea of how it looks like when you're flying. Like if I were to fly an FPV, so it'll be a good test today because it's kind of windy. You can see the flag. It's like at full like push back. But I don't know how I got the CG like perfect, like right where the battery is. Okay, main battery connecting. Servos are like, they got your click a little bit. Okay, let's go. Look, you want to go closer like once I'm on the runway?
Yeah. Do a turn and then I'll...
Yeah.
Actually, no, wait. Before you take off, I'm gonna film like everything.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah, let me go outside. Yeah, how is it?
It's going good, but the wind is kind of crazy.
Yeah, be careful on the gusts.
Yeah. Oh yeah. We just painted it up yesterday.
Yeah.
Or actually no, 2 days ago.
Flyby. He goes slow.
Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, you're right.
So dark.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Oh yeah.
I go over here. Can I do one more lap?
Yeah. And like really focus on.
Oh yeah, of course.
Oh, no, I got it.
Oh wait, I don't want to go there. Okay, ready?
Yeah, focus on it.
Oh yeah.
Really just try and like flare it nicely.
I'll go again. No, that was okay. Could have been better, but it's okay. It was okay. In low-key, it glides way farther than I could have gone so much slower. No, I turned off the engine. I kept on thinking, wait, when's it gonna go down? When's it gonna go down? Yeah. It's okay.